I've given you some ideas about how to craft a compelling character. So give them an interesting name. Give them an interesting characteristic, whether it's how they speak or look at you or hold themselves or how they walk. And sometimes if you start with the physical, the voice will come out of the physical. It's kind of a thing that actors learn, that if you change your physicality, your voice will sound different. Plus you get into character. So one of the ways to really embrace this idea of creating compelling characters is to start with the physical. How would they stand or speak or walk or wave or something like that. All right. And I've given you a link to an article on this. And in fact, I even referenced somebody that this district now knows, Kelly Swanson. I interviewed her years ago, and she helped me start a storytelling community for the National Speakers Association. And she had so many quirky characters that she created her own town to put them in. I kid you not. She created Pride's Hollow. Pride, apostrophe S, Hollow. A place, a fictitious place, Pride's Hollow, where she populated it with all these wonderful characters that she created. So you can do the same kind of thing.